Nothing beats a freshly made beef patty. Jamaican beef patty.
I grew up eating Jamaican beef patties, but apart from them being frozen or from the subway stations, I never really found any freshly made halal options.
The ones in the subway station are also the frozen ones, right? So I learned this recipe from my grandmother.
To ground beef, my buddy Issa is adding seasoning salt, black pepper, and adobo spices.
This is the wet seasoning. Onions, scotch bonnet, thyme.
Oh, there gotta be some more stuff in there.
Can't let all the secrets up. I had a close friend that became Muslim from when we were like 16 years old, and he was always in my ear. From about 16 to about 24, I've always known about it, but didn't really like research it or dive deep into it. I happened to read the Quran. So growing up, I used to go to Sunday school. The similarities between the Quran and the Bible is what really struck me. And then it also had clarity, more clarity than I found within the Bible, To tell you the truth, I was very shocked. 5 years later, I got married, had a child.
What's your wife's background?
Pakistan.
School Pakistani gang.
Add the water, get to a boiling point. We're gonna add some green onions to it, some other secret ingredients, and then we'll be done.
To make the dough, he's going to mix all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, orange food coloring, beef fat, ice-cold butter, and water. After it's mixed, he'll compress it, cut it, and roll it out into thin strips. In goes the beef filling, then he folds it onto itself, shapes it, cuts it out, and in the oven it goes at 300 for about a half an hour. And that's pretty much it.